Hi, we're working on Grade 3, Module 7, or Perimeter. Our page for the day is Perimeter and Area Story Problems Input page. So we've learned how to find perimeter and area, and now we're going to use what we know to answer some story problems. Let's look at our sentence first. When we are trying to solve story problems involving area and perimeter, we can draw a blank to show our thinking. You can either put model or picture, whichever you feel more comfortable with, because they're the same thing in solving for math problems. So a model or a picture, okay? So let's use that to solve these problems. Ben was making a poster for the basketball game. His poster was 6 feet long and 3 feet wide. I'm going to stop here and I'm going to make that rectangle. I know it's a rectangle because posters are usually rectangles, and in 3rd grade we work with rectangles. So the long side is 6 feet and the short side is 3 feet. And I can label all 4 sides to make it easy for myself later on. Okay, so as soon as I know the size of the rectangle I'm working with, I draw it. He wants to put ribbon around the perimeter of the poster. How many feet of ribbon will Ben need? So perimeter is around the outside, so I'm just going to help myself by sketching around the outside to remind myself that I'm finding perimeter, not area. Okay, so to find the perimeter, I add them all up. 6 plus 3 plus 6 plus 3. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 9 is 18 feet. Now I can answer in a sentence. Ben will need 18 feet of ribbon. Okay, let's look at the next question. Nicole was putting up wallpaper in her room. Her room was 20 feet wide. Her room was half as long as it was wide. I'm going to make my rectangle. I'm going to label one side 20 feet. Now it gets a little more complicated here. Her room was half as long as it was wide. So I need to know what's half of 20, or what plus itself will equal 20. I know or 20 divided by 2, and that equals 10 feet. So now I can label all 4 sides. How many square feet of wallpaper does Nicole need to cover one wall? So she's using area, so I'm going to color the whole inside to remind myself that I'm finding area. So I can't find the answer by adding up the side lengths. That won't do me any good. I need to find the area. And I find area by multiplying. 10 times 20 equals 200 square. Remember, area, we're finding squares, feet. And I can answer in a sentence. Nicole needs 200 square feet of wallpaper. Oh, just made it. Okay, that's it for today. Work on that output page and I'll see you next time.